today presentation group H, ya, member group Aura, Dewi, Hilmia, Ruslani. The topic main idea. Before presentation, say together Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, Dewi and Hilmia and Rustani, which is please.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
From the first group, we'll present about chapter 8, main ID. Ma'am, sorry, langsung ke exercise atau gimana? Exercise 1 nih. Exercise 1. Direction, read the following paragraph and determine the main ID of each paragraph. A. Paragraph 1. Luang Prabang has both natural and
Halo?
historical.
Yes,
ma'am.
I'm so sorry. Anda jangan langsung ke exercise.
Oh, oke, ma'am.
Anda harus menjelaskan dulu. Kalau langsung exercise, audiens tidak paham. Apa itu maksudnya? What's the meaning idea gitu. Nah, itu. Apa yang maksud dengan main idea gitu kan? Oke, come on.
Material description. Main idea is the core of the material. The particular point that the author is trying to convey. Main idea of the passage can be staged and instituted in the passage. Main idea has two parts, usually called the topic and the controlling idea. These two parts of main idea can help you to determine the main idea of paragraph. Once you have identified the topic of the paragraph, you can locate the main idea by looking for a statement which contains some ideas or opinions about the topic in short. You can find the main idea by identifying the topic and controlling idea. There are commonly two types of main idea: stage main idea and unstated main idea. Stage main idea. Stage main idea is the main idea which is staged in one stage that contains specific ideas or details in the passage into a general, all-inclusive statement of the author's message. Commonly, main idea is staged in the first sentence of the passage. However, sometimes main idea can be staged in the middle or at the end of the paragraph. Look at the example below.
Hari ini bisa selesai kan, Mas?
Example 1. Main idea
Yang grafik kemarin.
You know, don't have image of who you are. This is your self-concept. It consists of your feelings and talk about your strengths and weakness, your abilities and limitation. Your self-concept develops from a three causes. The image of you that others have a that day.
Yang per sheet per kolom-kolom ada.
The comparisons you make between yourself and others and
100
he
lembar,
will
250 lembar.
interpret and
Apa?
follow your own thoughts
290
and
lampiran
behaviors.
Enggak nyampe 10, enggak nyampe segitu.
Example 2. Main idea in the middle sentence.
Oh, semuanya
When you
290.
failure, you are more likely to edge
293.
a failure. When you
Belum sama
think
ini.
you are successful, you are more likely to edge like a success. When you feel good about yourself, about you are capable of doing, you will perform better. Self-esteem is very important because success breeds success. Increasing self-esteem will therefore help you to function more effectively in school, in personal relationship, and in careers.
Udah Rafif.
Example 3. Main idea in the last sentence. The open self present all the information that both you and others know about yourself. The blind self present all the things you don't know about yourself that others do know. The hidden self contains all that you know of yourself and all
Itu
other
lampiran.
that you keep secret. The unknown self represents truth about yourself that neither you nor other know. Thus, your self-worthiness is how much you know about yourself according to the model of the core self. You state main idea or implied. Sometimes main idea is not stated in any particular sentence, but each sentence contains details that lead to a common idea. In order to arrive at the main idea, you have to read every sentence and figure out what they have in common. Example 4. You state my idea. People in the United States disclose more than those in Great Britain, Germany, Japan or Puerto Rico. American students also disclose more than students from 9 different Middle East countries. Singaporean and China students consider more topics to be taboo and inappropriate for self-disclosure than their British colleagues. In Japan, it is considered understandable to reveal personal information. In much of the United States, it is not only considered desirable, it is accepted. Explanation. In the above paragraph, you can notice that all of the sentences are about self-disclosure. Also, you can see that the subject of each sentence is people from different countries and cultures. Each sentence talks about how much people from different cultures are willing to tell about themselves. If you put all these information together, you can come up with the main idea. Sentences such as people from different countries have different degrees of self-disclosure. Okay, the next speaker is Mia Tuzara.
Itu kalau yang Google Drive. Nah itu.
Ini ya? Ini ya?
Iya.
Exercise 1. Direction. Read the following paragraphs and determine the main idea of each paragraph. Paragraph 1. Luang Prabang has both natural and historical sites. Among the natural tourist sites Cities are the Kuang, Sipals, and Papau caves. Tourists may also ride
dan seterusnya.
elephants
Ya itu hipotesis
and
uji
off the
data.
main street
Udah
of
4 berarti
Kuang.
segitu.
Prabang is a
Udah
night
4 berarti segini.
market
Iya, udah
where
uji
stall
data.
sells
Uji data itu masuk ke
bracelet
nomor berapa?
and other souvenirs. The
Ada uji data
Haujam
rohingya.
Royal Palace
Uji
Museum and the
Bukan,
King Kong
homogenesis,
bukan
Temple
homogenitas.
are among the
homogenitas,
most well-known historical cities.
Uji data
The
rohingya. Di
magnificent
nomor berapa? Coba di Google Form.
temples, a significant part of the old
Sebentar.
town is
Eh,
area
Google Drive.
is the mini
ini.
Ya, Google
French
Drive. Sebentar, saya buka.
provincial style house. Main idea in the
Uji
first
data rohingya.
natural and
Lampiran uji
historical
validitas
places in
realitas ini.
Luang Prabang, Laos.
Bukan.
4, 5.
Itu mah setelah
Paragraph 2.
survei
Food
uji coba
at
survei masih
very
awal.
center of
Uji
Vietnamese
data rohingya
culture
bawah,
for
bawah.
every
Uji data
significant
rohingya.
holiday on the Vietnamese cultural
Wah, ada sih Mas Eka.
calendar.
Sebentar.
All the important milestones in Vietnamese person is life and in
Uji data rohingya nih.
the important day-to-day social
Nih.
events
Lampiran 7.
and interactions would
Uji data hipotesis
plays
bukan
a
rohingya.
central
Iya.
role.
Ya udah
Special
tadi yang
dishes
mana
are prepared and served with
Ya wis,
care
ya
for
udah
every
setelah terakhir
marriage,
itu ya.
marriage
ini terakhir.
and the
Tinggal ini.
anniversaries of ancestors.
Bentar ya aku ngasih.
Did more business
Iya iya.
deals
Taruh
are
bawah.
much over dinner tables than over boardroom tables. And when friends get together, they eat together, preparing food and eating together remains the focus of family life. Main idea in the first sentence, food,
Main idea.
main idea,
Idea, bukan idea, salah. Idea bacanya.
main idea in the first sentence, food sits at very center of Vietnamese culture. Paragraph 3. Singapore has 4 official languages. English, Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. Chinese, Malay, and Tamil. English is the common language of the nation and is the language of business, government, and the medium of instruction in school. Public organization in Singapore conduct their business in English, and official documents written in a non-English official language, such as Chinese, Malay, or Tamil typically has to be translated into English to be accepted for submission. The Singapore Constitution and all laws are written in English, and translators are also required if one wishes to address the Singaporean courts in a language other than English. However, English is the native tongue for only 1/3 of all Singaporean Indians speaking it as their native tongue. Main idea. Unstated main idea English as one of official language in Singapore. Paragraph 4. Due to its long history as a tributary state of China, as well as several periods of Chinese occupation, Vietnamese culture is heavily influenced by that of southern China, with Confucianism forming the basis of Vietnamese society. The Vietnamese language also contains many words from China. Though the two languages are unrelated, Buddhist remains the single largest region in Vietnam, talked like in China, but unlike in the rest of northern Southeast Asia, the dominant school of Buddhism in Vietnam is the Mahayana school. Main idea in the middle sentence, Vietnamese culture. Okay, the next is
Berapa lembar?
Lampiran semua.
Iya,
Semuanya.
khusus.
okay, the
Karena
next
itu buat
is aura.
sidang. Kalau yang 1 sampai 5 udah nggak apa-apa itu. Yang itunya aja nggak apa-apa, beda page juga kan page-nya beda.
Exercise 2. Paragraph 1 colors can tell a lot about person. Some people like very colorful clothing. They want everyone to look at them. They want to be the center of things. Other people like to wear nice clothes, but their clothes are not colorful or fancy. They don't like people to look at them. There are also some people who wear the same thing all the time. They don't care if anyone thinks about them. The best answer is what is the main idea of the paragraph, and the best answer is B. Clothes can tell a lot about people. Paragraph 2. It is important to bring the right clothes when you travel. If you are going to a cold country, you should bring warm clothes. Be sure you have a hat and gloves too. If you are going to a hot country, you need different clothes. You don't want heavy or dark clothes in hot weather like clothes. If you are going to a city, you may need some nice clothes. What is the main idea of the paragraph? And the best answer is B. Appropriate clothes are important when you travel. Paragraph 3. Clothes today are very different from clothes of the 1800s. One difference is the way they look. For example, in 1800s, all women wore dresses. All hot skirts, but today women always
Sidang hasil langsung 1 minggu tertutup lah.
Berapa kali sih?
pants.
Hasil 1 kali doang.
Another
3 kali.
between
Seminar
1800
hasil
and
3 kali.
it
masa
they were
seminar hasil
silk and linen.
ujian seminar
There
hasil ya.
are
3 kali
kind
Pak
of
untuk dokter.
clothes. Clothes are now made of nylon, rayon, or polyester. And the best answer is clothes today are different from the clothes of the 1800s. For the next will be read by Aan.
Exercise 3. Nih. Halo, ada suaranya nggak? Rom?
Ya, kedengeran. Ya.
Ada.
Ya, Aan, ayo Aan.
Baik,
Which is please, An.
Miss. Exercise 3. Direction.
Direction.
Read each paragraph below and determine the author's purpose and tone of each paragraph. Paragraph 1. An average hurricane releases as much energy as several atomic explosions. Its power output in a single minute could keep the United States in
United,
electricity for
United,
United status in
States.
electricity.
Bukan statis. States, United States.
Oh, United States in electricity for 15 years. The hurricane that struck Bangladesh in berapa? 90s apaan sih? Iya 1970.
1970.
1917 gitu ya.
Yes.
Produced a tidal wave that killed.
Produce it.
Ya gimana, Mem?
Produce it. Bukan
Produce
produk,
a
salah.
tidal
Produce it.
wave that killed
Kailit. Kailit
200.000
apa
berapa, Mem? Bahasa Inggris ya?
Lah, masa nggak tahu 200.000? 200,000.
200,000 people in
100.
1,900
Oh. Ya.
in
Next.
Galveston,
Mm-mm.
Texas. A hurricane created storms tides that swept 600 people to their death. One, the author purpose of this paragraph is to and the best answer is C. Present factual information about hurricanes. Number 2, the author tone can best be described as.
Describe
And the
it.
best answer is B.
Describe it.
Strike forward. Gimana, Mem?
Describe it as.
Describe it as, and the best answer is B. Strike forward.
Yes, good. Next.
Next.
Next slide, please.
Paragraph 2. Salah. Ini ya.
The author
One, the
wrote
author
to.
wrote to. The best answer is A. Illustrate the unusual way in which certain ant species survive. Number 2, the author's tone is. The best answer is C. Informative. Exercise 4. Paseguan. Basketball was invented in 1000 and in 1891 by a physical education instructor in Springfield. Massachusetts by the name of James Naismith. Because of the terrible weather in winter, his physical education students were indoors rather than outdoors. They really did not like the idea of boring, repetitive exercise and preferred the excitement and challenge of a game. Naismith figure out a team sport that could be played indoors on a
Mas,
gymnasium
Kak,
floor.
bukannya 7, Mas.
That involved
7
a
apa
lot
6?
of running
KCD-nya nggak ada.
that keep
Oh, dirimu
all
KCD
the
dulu, saya.
members involved
Cabang
and did
Dinas
not
Pendidikan
allow
Wilayah 3.
the tackling and
Ini
physical contact
lampiran
of
pertama.
American
Lampiran kedua
style
terserah mau
football.
SMA berapa aja.
Number 1. What is the main idea of this passage?
3,
Nah, itu KCD tidak bisa.
5, 8, 9.
The best
Oh my
answer
God,
is
kok
D.
9?
The
Coba,
origin
coba.
of
Saya cek dulu.
basketball.
Di SMP 14. Masya Allah, dirimu 14-nya banyak banget, 1 aja.
Apanya?
SMA 14 tuh 1 aja.
Lah yang dikasih segitu gimana sih? Yang ngasih
Passage
data.
2.
Oke.
Early maps of
SMA 5
the
2.
North
1 aja,
American
1 aja.
continent showed a massive river that
Oh ya wes. Oke, aku
began
lihat cek di
in
WA
the
dulu ya.
Rocky Mountains,
Nih masukin lagi data.
flowed into the Great Salt Lake, and from there continued westward
Taruh lagi.
into the Pacific Ocean. This river, named the Bonaventura River, on some maps rivaled the Great Mississippi River. This mythical river, of course, does not exist. Perhaps an early map maker hypothesized that such a river probably existed. Perhaps a smaller river was seen and its path from the Rockies to the Pacific was assumed. As late as the middle of the 19th century, this river was still on maps and explorers were still searching for it. 2. Which of the following would be the best title for this passage? The best answer is D. Rivers in mythology. Rom, lanjutin Rom.
Apa?
Passage 3. Most of the ice on the Earth, close to 19% of it, is covering the surface of the continent, Antarctica. It does not snow very much in Antarctica, but with
Seka, SMA 12 tidak ada.
remains and grow
SMA
deeper
12 saya
and
enggak.
deeper. Some areas of Antarctica, the ice has perhaps been around for as much a million
Ada nggak?
and
Bawah
now
nggak?
is more than 2 miles deep.
Nggak usah ini.
The main idea of the passage is that
8.
Jadi 10 dari
most of the Earth ice is found in Antarctica.
5 ada.
Number 4, the best title for the passage is the cause of ice.
12-nya mana?
14.
12-nya nggak ada sih. Apa? Mana nih?
The experiments involved and Hamid weather that occurs in the United States in July and August is commonly styled the dog days
Oh,
of
ini
summer.
SMA 12
Land
nih.
comes from the star Sirius, which is
Sini
known
yang
as
SMA
the
8,
dog star.
SMA yang
Sirius
14
in the
kan
brightest
2 kali.
visible star and in the hot
SMA 5
summer months.
Kemarin itu waktu
It
saya
lies
bikin anggaran
in the
kamu
east
udah bawa
approximately the same time
Tanggal 12.
the sun. As I said, people saw the stars rising with the sun when
12.
the
Nanti aku kirim ulang ya.
photos. They believed that Sirius was the cause of the additional heat. They believed that bright star added its heat to the heat of the sun, and these two together made summer weather so unbearably hot. Number 5. The topic of the passage is how dogs like to play the topic of the passage is see why the hot summer days are known as the dog's day. Number 6, the main idea of this passage is the
Idea.
idea of this passage is that A. The name for the summer days come from Sirius the dog star. Passage 5. The term primitive art has been used in variety of ways to describe forms and style of art. One way that this term has been used is to describe the early period within the development of a certain style of art. Another way that this term has been used is to describe artists who have received little professional training and who demonstrate a non-traditional naivete in their work. A wonderful example of this second type of primitive artist is Grandma Moses, who spent all her life on a farm and working at tasks normally associated with farm life. She did not begin painting until she reached the age of 76, when she switched to painting from embroidery because the arthritis in her hands made embroidery too difficult. Totally without formal education in art, she began creating panoramic image of everyday life on the farm that have achieved international fame. Number 7, the subject of this passage is an example of one of the types of primitive art. Number 8, which of the following best express the main idea of the passage is C. Grandma Moss is one type of primitive artist because of her like formal training. Okay, the next speaker is Aura Aziza.
Passage 6. The first English attempts to colonize North America were controlled by individuals rather than companies. Here, Humphrey Gilbert
Kenapa?
was the first Englishman to send
Di
colonies
Amerika,
to the New World.
paling ujung.
His initial expedition, which
Ya.
sailed in 100, 105, 100, 1578 with a patent granted by Queen Elizabeth I, was defeated by the Spanish. A second attempt the disaster in 1583 when Gilbert and his ship were lost in a storm in the following year. Gilbert, his half-brother, Sir Walter Raleigh, having obtained a renewal of the patent, sponsored an expedition that explored the coast of the region that he named
Seka,
Virginia.
kirimin
Under
pulang
Raleigh,
dong.
his direction efforts were
Yang
then made
tempel
to
basah.
establish a colony